we can learn a lot from Alligator as an investor. Strategy which I follow, and that's I call it Alligator strategy. जो मगरमच्छ होता है वो बहुत ही widely swing नहीं करता. He is silently watching, just hidden beside the river bank में कहीं छुपा होता है दलदल में. He attacks when the prey is near and the prey is unaware of it because the alligator is camouflaged. And when the prey is most relaxed, they take a deep breath and they jump on it. They act decisively, but they do it very infrequently. They do it rarely. And one big shot, one big killing, and they are done for weeks. So the good news is we can learn a lot from Alligator as an investor. So first thing is we can be observant of the environment we live in, because unless we observe what is happening around, we cannot make best use of the environment. Then you need to develop patience as well as active tracking. We need to track business updates and industry dynamics, because without which our decision making would be closer to speculation, not investing. Then we need to develop mindfulness that this is just a journey and we don't need to panic on everything going bad, because all good things takes time. And then we have to act decisively with very less activity, because alligator don't jump here and there like monkeys. They really focus on one prey at a time and do very little of activity so that the prey don't get alerted. So we don't have to jump stock to stock. We have to make a very careful selection of portfolio. That's what we have learned from Alligator as an investor. So this brings me to a very important quote of Peter Lynch, that everyone has the brain power to make money in stocks, but not everyone has the stomach. Yani pain bearing capability is a requirement. And that's why at Sadhan we do continuous coverage, because we want to track. Because tracking the journey is very important part of holding a 10-bagger. Because stories and thesis evolve over a period of time. It's not going to happen in just 10 days or 1 quarter or 2 quarters. Sometimes stories take years to play out. So it's very mentally daunting for a normal retail investor to see a gain wiped off. And many times it happens that a business which is valued at 100 goes to 200 and comes back to 150. And a retail investor panics during that period. But that's where we have to observe, learn from Alligator that you don't need to panic. You have to be mindful that this gain is just a paper loss. And then one can really benefit and one can develop the stomach to hold on to a 10-bagger. And the central part of it is having a continuous update in your dashboard about the portfolio which you are holding. So that's the Alligator strategy that one can employ when somebody is looking out for good stocks which can compound over a long period of time. Then you just have to be right about your game. That game selection is more important than the timing of it. So again, you can use Alligator strategy to use a bit of timing into it. So that's why if you mix both of them, that could be a very good thing to have as an investor. Don't forget to share our video and stay connected, stay invested with Sadhan in the stock market, because there is a lot more to come on this channel. I look forward to have you more often in this channel.